Right, hello everybody and welcome back. Over the last 5 weeks, Beck and I haven't done a thing on the van due to the weather, and also we've had a viral infection which we both were really ill over Christmas. The last month or so we've had over 50 new subscribers, so thank you very much for coming along. Always a pleasure to have people come along and watch the build as it progresses. The only thing I've done in the last 5 weeks is one little drawing for the van. Sorry to say. So if you want, take a little look at the drawing. Hope you enjoyed that little bit of artwork that I've done for the van. So as I said, please bear with us. We will get back in the van and hopefully we will get Reese finished one day. And when we do, Matt Alien Boy will be coming up to see you soon. Until then, peace.